Yo YouTube, what is going on? So you found this video because you're searching for a working method on how to get free Hinge Premium, and that is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video, guys. Hinge Premium is super expensive, costing as much as $30 for a single month, but I've managed to find a method to get Hinge Premium for free, and it only takes between 5 and 10 minutes. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. Now, I'm calling it Hinge Premium, but it can be called Hinge Plus or Hinge X. This is basically going to be the top version of the upgraded plans. So let's do this. You need to go to the following rewards website, guys, and this literally takes 5 minutes, so it's super simple. Everyone can do this. You need to use a mobile phone and open up the internet and go to www.wavyrewards.com. So Wavy Rewards, guys, spelt like that. Now, this is a rewards website where basically you get rewarded for completing tasks. And the special thing about this website is you only need to complete 2 tasks, and you can choose a 12-month free premium plan for Hinge. So basically follow these instructions. It says click the button to see your selection of tasks and make sure you use a mobile device. Choose and complete 2 of the tasks and follow the instructions, and then you can go ahead, choose claim your desired reward. So what you're going to have to do, guys, is click on this claim now button, and you're going to see this screen where basically it says complete 2 of the tasks below following the instructions. So you can see, guys, there is a list of tasks here, and they can be like downloading and playing mobile games until certain levels. So this one says complete level 9. This one is an answer question. So this is like a survey. But basically, guys, once you fully complete 2 of them, you can literally then get redirected to this following website here where you can select your reward for completing those 2 tasks. So if you followed all of the instructions and fully completed 2, you can then scroll down on the website and it will allow you to select a Hinge Premium upgrade coupon. And here you go, guys, you can get a 12-month free Hinge Premium. So like I said, if you followed the instructions, this will be unlocked. Obviously, I just skipped forward. But yeah, you can then get your code and it will be revealed, and you can enter it for a free premium subscription. So all you have to do, guys, is go to Wavy Rewards and follow these instructions, guys, and you can go ahead and select your free Hinge Premium. So enjoy, guys. Smash that like button if I helped you do this, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.